Yeah, it's your boy Jamal Robinson. Follow me at plant_Meru. Follow him at
Follow me at who that's it.
Alright. R.I.P.A.T. Chiwi.
Yeah. He gonna let me open it up with my single. Yeah. From Alicia Keys.
But we gotta do that.
For,
she Ratchet.
From Whitney Houston funeral. You hear me?
Send me an angel.
She Whitney's an angel. She's an angel. Can you send me an angel? 'Cause I gotta get there. Can you send me an angel? Alright, I'm done, you heard me. But that was really, wasn't no photo crop or nothing. That's straight grid, you know? Straight original. Send that in. Yeah, we about to get back. She Ratchet!
But that she about to make me a point on it all face.
Cause your grandma Ratchet! Hey, yeah, y'all should be a white.
You ready, bitch?
Yeah, boy.
Alright.
Yeah, girl.
Alright.
Oh, that's my jam right there.
Alright. Yeah. Come out the house looking like that. She is doing the most.
Doing the most. She is doing the most.
Gee, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Give me that phone. I'm about to take this type of picture.
Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this thing on Twitter.
Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause she Ratchet.
Bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she Ratchet.
Ooh, she'll make me that punch her in her face.
Cause she
I
Ratchet.
can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, well.
My baby boy. And it came with a sister. I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club.
Yeah.
In the middle of the floor. No shoe. Where's up? Had to be cute today. I'm about to for a boot.
Yeah.
This here shoot today. Shoot today. Transport check it two today. Yesterday. Girl, you to do today.
You know it.
Don't be fed up. Mood trap.
Yeah.
15, I got my food stamp. Brand new piercing. Brand new tape.
Right there.
$95 for this weed plus tape. Bah! Bit the thing over wide spank. My dad already had this cank along. Thinking that you better than I am. Where do you think you are? She alive. My number. Boy, bye. Hold on.
You
be quiet. Hey, girl.
You look good today.
So bright.
Turn around. Good. Let me see.
Yeah.
Get it.
OMG, what do she have on?
Ratchet.
Her lace front is all grown.
She Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this girl picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this thing on Twitter.
See you Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause you Ratchet.
Bye. Now them shoes on.
Ratchet.
We doing something. Oh, she Ratchet. Oh, she too fake. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Carly. And then we party. And you can't have this boo-boo song because you change is my future baby daddy.
Mari.
Got my jersey dress on. Right here make my breast on. Black team, dark skin.
We don't like the red bones.
My got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
Get at me.
Team Flip on. Team Chris Brown.
Yeah, right.
Don't shit it up. Then it's team
shut down.
Our team babe. Team with your.
If he got a lot of money, then it's team he paying.
Think back, we're spinning a little bit on us.
Cause I'm doing me.
It's too beautiful. It's too beautiful. Baby.
Thank you.
My track stay.
Thank you. Okay.
Whatever, girl.
What is wrong with her?
OMG. What do she have on?
Cause she Ratchet.
Holly is all grown.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me that phone. I'm about to take this girl a picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this thing on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause she ratchet.
Boy, bye.
Now with them shoes on. Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, what's your name? Punch her in her face.
Cause she ratchet.
Stand her. Ooh, she's too face. God, you think you get good with that?
Whatever. I don't care. I don't care either.
Girl,
I don't care either. K. Whatever. K. Whatever. Oh. K.
Bye.
Boy, whatever.
That's that she ratchet. Her name is all wrong. Follow me on Twitter and play that _Meru and follow Greg at
Zachary.
and hit me up on Facebook at Jamero Robinson and hit him up at
Gun up.
There I T Flip phone.